YouTube, I'm Magda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a clean pizza. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This channel predominantly consists of health and fitness vlogs. If that's something that you're interested in, or if you need help along your fitness journey, you're confused, you don't know what to do, this is the channel for you, because I put up a lot of at-home exercise videos, some healthy recipes, and some vlogging to show you my journey, because currently I am 25 weeks pregnant, and this is a journey that I want to share with you as well. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. Ingredients for my pizza: naan bread, 1 onion, marinara sauce, some shredded cheese, multicolored bell peppers. I would sometimes add meat to the mix, but today I don't have any. So this is going to be a veggie pizza, real quick and simple. I'll show you how I put everything together. I know this is a cheap or a funny way to get in veggies. Oh, I should add spinach to this too. I have baby spinach. Let's add some spinach to this pizza as well. And now I don't have a regular pizza pan, like one of those flat things, so I took my actual baking pan and just wrapped aluminum foil around it just to make it easier. First thing, non-stick spray, real simple. Then throw in the naan bread, right? Add some marinara sauce on top. This is gonna be so good. Who doesn't like pizza? Right? This is so addictive. Unless you have a tomato allergy or whatever, you can substitute it for something else. I'm trying to leave a little fake crust in the middle, so I want to make sure that I spread the tomato sauce around and just leave some crust behind, right? Cheese. So let's just add the peppers and the onions. I have a pet peeve for thick onions. I like them, but I don't like a whole bunch of it. You know what I mean? I just don't like it sticking together. The baby spinach. Should have put the baby spinach at the bottom, but it's all right. Now for the cheese. On top of this beautiful, beautiful pizza. So hopefully this comes out right. Of course, I'm not a pro at making pizza, or I'm not a chef. I just like to eat food. Whenever I'm craving something and I have a few ingredients at home, I like to get creative and just make it at home instead of going out and wasting money, or just going out and not feeling satisfied. You know how sometimes you have a favorite store that you like to go to purchase something, and just that day that chef didn't put that special oomph in the meal. Okay, pop this in the oven. I had it preheated for 350 degrees, and this is just gonna bake for about 5 minutes, and then I'll see it, and we'll take it out in 5 minutes. Took the pizza out the oven, took some more of the baby spinach, put it on top, and the toppings are on the side, just to make the plate look like, I wanted the plate to look kind of fancy, but for the most part, the baby spinach, I add some extra on top, and this is what it looks like, just a regular pizza. This is it. How I use simple, easy ingredients and was able to make an amazing, delicious pizza out of it. And also, if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you're liking, you're engaging, because YouTube needs to know that, you know, this content is great content. So with you liking and you commenting, helps the channel to grow. So make sure that you do that. In case you're wondering, I'm actually debuting one of the new Get Sexy or Die Trying fall jackets. This is one of the colors that Get Sexy or Die Trying is considering. You have the logo here. This is, what size am I wearing? A small, right? This is a small. And it's very, I actually like it. It's very light. It's a lightweight jacket that zips up. Then you have the hoodie that goes with it as well. And let me walk forward so I can show you what this looks like. Of course, I'm wearing a small right now, and I'm able to zip up this jacket, being 25 weeks pregnant. Make sure that you be on the lookout for that. I'll be posting the link and showing you guys, you know, the different colors that are being chosen to be debuted. Thank you guys again. I'll see you next time. Take care.